Hello, this is another message from Oil Traders Words, the book with 2,500 various words, terms that is used on a daily basis in the oil business. Available on Amazon.com, or you can Google it and find my website. One of the many words in this book, which I describe, is deemed BL. What is a deemed BL? Well, a deemed BL is actually an agreement between the buyer and seller to fix the BL date. But why would you do that? I mean, normally a vessel loads, and when it is ready loading and the loading arms are disconnected on the terminal, or the vessel is ready loading from an offshore field, the BL date, the date that it is ready, it becomes the BL date. And normally the BL date is then the date where pricing can start. But it can be that the buyer wants to be more sure, or the seller wants to be sure, and can agree on the BL date before the vessel is ready loading. And why would you do that? Just to be sure that the pricing is good. But sometimes it can happen that you have an obligation to supply at a certain discharge window. And as a result of that, you might be loading your cargo earlier than expected. So when your original deal was to have BL pricing, then you can load as early as you want. Well, that doesn't work always. So when you have, for example, an earliest arrival date in this port, then you can better deem the BL related to this port, the dates. That is a bit safe, and it's better. Just keep in mind that even if you deem the BL, it doesn't change the moment that you take over risk and title. Deemed BL is only versus pricing, not versus risk and title. So even when you load too early, you may have a pricing later on, deemed BL, but when the vessel is ready loading, or when the oil is actually passing the flange during loading, risk and title is changing from buyer to seller in case of a SIF or fault deal. So even when you do a deemed BL, maybe it's also smart to think about doing something DAP, because do you really want to have the risk and title maybe 10 days before the deemed BL starts place? Well, this is one of the things in my book. Oil Traders Words, Google it, go to Amazon, and just decide if you want to buy one. $26.50, not expensive, 600 pages, 2,500 words. Wish you a nice day. Thanks, bye.